Autodesk Inventor is a 3D modeling software. This is part 3 of a tutorial series on how to use Autodesk Inventor. This tutorial uses the 2017 version, other versions will be slightly different. Drawings are blueprints of the parts and assemblies we've created. Let's open up Inventor and click New Drawing. We start our drawing by clicking Base in the Place Views tab. We then select the file we want to create a drawing of. In the Drawing View window, we can edit the style and scale of our drawing. We can also choose what side to view the assembly from using the rotation box. We click OK when we're finished. That's it. We're finished. I guess we're not completely done, but do you see how easy creating drawings in Inventor is? It's wonderfully simple. All we have left to do is to add the dimensions. In the Annotate tab, we can click Dimension or press the D key, and then click the line or lines we want to show the dimensions of. If you want to add text, you can click Text in the Annotate tab. We can also create text that points to something using leader text. It's really that easy. Wow, this sounds like an infomercial. In the side browser, we can adjust the size of the sheet by right-clicking the sheet and selecting Edit Sheet. When we're through, we can export as an image, PDF, or DWG file, or print right from Inventor.